little Alex and his parents joined BBC Breakfast hosts John Kay and Sally Nugent after an act of kindness meant the youngster could finally enjoy going fishing with his dad. Plumber James Anderson, who appeared on the show last year for fixing people's boilers for free, decided to raise money for Alex so he could get a bionic arm. He hoped the youngster could finally enjoy spending time with his dad and taking part in activities other children take for granted. Alex, his parents and James sat on the BBC sofa to discuss the heartwarming story with the presenters. However, while John and Sally tried to ask Alex questions, the youngster couldn't stop yawning. Don't miss Holly Willoughby to step away from This Morning after Schofield's exit. Latest, Aunt McPartlin cries don't know if I'm okay after falling during BGT live show. Video, GB News guest says Phil Schofield changed in front of me with on-screen ambush. Interview, as John and Sally turned their questions to Alex's parents, the little boy began to yawn and rub his face. Sally quickly apologized for the early start, especially since Alex was on his half-term break. Can I just apologize to Alex, first of all, for getting him up so early? She stated. She went on, it's half-term and everything, you could be at home tucked up in your bed, instead you're here with us, but you're here for a really good reason. As Alex continued to appear very tired, John took his mug of coffee and jokingly offered it to the 7-year-old. Alex, would you like some coffee? He asked as the little boy smiled and turned away, causing Sally to laugh. Stop. The youngster's sweet interview also sparked a sympathetic reaction from viewers. Twitter user @ScullyScully73 penned, Alex looks knackered lol bless him #breakfast. @RKAO8 added, Alex giving us a whole new set of tiredness memes. Bless him. #breakfast. Alex wants to go back to bed #breakfast, @Erasmo2058 shared. RKAO8 commented, Alex I feel like you this morning too. Yawn. #breakfast. @ScullyScully73 marked, James is an absolute legend. This man don't stop helping people has a true gent. Everyone should be more James #breakfast. Sick, BBC Breakfast continues on Wednesday at 6 a.m. on BBC One.
Now take